Have you ever opened your kitchen cabinet, found a dusty jar of honey hiding in the back, and asked yourself, wait, does honey ever expire? I used to wonder the same thing until I learned something kind of amazing that I had to share with you. Believe it or not, honey is one of the few foods in the world that basically never goes bad. Yep, you heard that right. Real, pure honey can last for years, even centuries, without spoiling. In fact, archaeologists once found pots of honey inside ancient Egyptian tombs that were still perfectly edible after thousands of years. How wild is that? Now you might be thinking, okay, but why? It's all about honey's natural chemistry. First off, honey has very little water in it. Most bacteria and microbes need moisture to grow, and without enough water, they can't survive. Second, honey is super acidic. That low pH creates a kind of hostile environment for anything that might want to spoil it. Add to that the natural presence of hydrogen peroxide in honey, yes, the same stuff we use to clean cuts, and it becomes clear why honey is practically nature's own preservative. But here's where it gets interesting. Just because honey doesn't expire, that doesn't mean it always looks perfect. Over time, you might see your honey become cloudy or start to crystallize into a thick, grainy texture. And that's totally normal. It doesn't mean it's bad. It just means the natural sugars are starting to separate out. And guess what? You can fix it. Just place the jar in a bowl of warm water and stir it gently. It'll turn smooth and golden again, like nothing ever happened. Of course, there's a catch. This all applies to pure honey. If the honey you're using has added ingredients like syrups, preservatives, or flavorings, then all bets are off. That stuff can spoil over time. That's why it's so important to check the label and go for raw or unfiltered honey if you really want the benefits. Another tip, always store honey in a sealed container and keep it away from direct sunlight or heat. The cooler and darker the spot, the longer your honey will keep its quality. And don't put a wet spoon into the jar. Even a little bit of water can cause fermentation, which can mess with the taste and texture. So the next time you find that old jar of honey sitting quietly in your pantry, don't toss it. Chances are it's still perfectly fine. Nature made honey to last, and as long as you treat it right, it'll be there whenever you need it, whether it's for tea, toast, or just a spoonful of something sweet. Pretty impressive for something made by bees, right?